This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Walla Habibi. Immaculate 1-year-old home in the Grove Park subdivision. Fabulous floor plan with many great features such as open floor plan with master on main, spacious rooms, beautiful hardwood flooring, granite in kitchen and bathrooms, gas fireplace with stone surround and rustic mantle, ceramic tile in all the bathrooms and laundry room. One of the guest bedroom features its own full bathroom, and the other 2 bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bathroom. Generous walk-in closets in all bedrooms, with tons of extra storage, loft as well as the bonus room. Come enjoy the beautiful East TN weather under the covered back porch. For more information, review the details below or contact Walla Habibi at 865-584-4000.